Here I will show you one more question based on simplification. So again we will solve from multiplication now, because no division is given here. So this is multiply here also and this one also. So first of all we will multiply 20 into 6. We know that is 120. Minus will be written as it is. 16 2s are 32. Plus will be written as it is, and then 5 4s are 20. We are done with the multiplication. After multiplication we have addition, right? So first of all we will do addition here. So in addition we won't add 32 and 20. Why we will not add this 32 and 20? Because 32 follows minus sign, and minus and plus cannot be done as plus. Okay, minus plus according to the rule is to be done with minus only. So the number which do not have any sign, that number is having a plus sign. Keep in mind, a number which do not have any sign is known to be positive number. That is why we will add 120 and 20. From this we will subtract this 32. Okay, then 120 plus 20 is 140 minus 32. Then 10 minus 2 is 8. 3 minus 3 is 0 and 1 like this. I hope it is clear to how to solve. And this addition point keep in mind. One more way is there to solve this sum. First, when you will get this 120 minus 32 plus 20 na, after this what you can do is you can also solve this plus, this number 120, you can subtract from this 32. If you will subtract this 32 from this, then also it is okay. But if you are subtracting this 120 minus 32, 10 minus 2 is 8, and 11 minus 3 is also 8. It will come here 88 plus 20. Okay, so 8 plus 2 is 10 and like this. This is also correct, no doubt. You will get the correct answer if you will just do this minus and this. If you will do, but this is against the rule, because the rule says that we need to solve division, multiplication, addition and then subtraction. Clear this thing? So that is why we will do addition of these two numbers. After adding these two, then we will subtract 32 from this. And what is the reason for adding these two? Because the number which do not have any sign is considered to be a positive number and has plus sign. That is why we will do plus with plus and then subtract 32 from this. So this method is completely correct one. Kindly follow like this.